A man who lives in Indian Land says he spent months fighting with his insurance over car repairs. He says it took so long, he bought another car in the meantime to get by.
He did what many consumers do. He turned to Action 9's Jason Stoogenke for help getting results.
I was hit by a truck.
Jay Miller says that was August. He told me his insurance and his body shop disagreed on how much it should cost to fix. He says his insurer said $8,000. The shop, anywhere from $17,000 to $27,000.
I think they've demonstrated bad faith.
So he appealed and says the process dragged on.
I met him 3 months later. At the time, he told me the car was still sitting at the shop waiting and that his rental had long since run out.
And then I realized this was going to take a very long time, and rather than spend the money on the rental, I actually bought a used car.
You heard right. He says he bought this car instead. I emailed his insurer, Allstate. The company responded, and a week later told me they resolved it. I asked for details, but they wouldn't say, citing privacy reasons.
There are a lot of consumers out there that would be stuck, and effectively what it does, it de facto forces them to accept the estimate that Allstate gives them.
If you need a body shop, first and foremost, I always say, remember, you pick the shop, your car, your choice. Second, if your insurance and the shop can't agree on an estimate, in North Carolina, you and the insurer hire your own appraisers and take it from there. Just remember, it can get expensive. In South Carolina, you can ask for another appraisal or file arbitration. There's a very specific process for that. So I put how on WSOC-TV.com. In Uptown, Jason Stoogenke, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.